Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I want us to talk about the most common tools that you need to start making videos on YouTube. I mean, in case you're wondering how you can make money on YouTube by making video content, this video is for you, because in this video I will show you the most common tools that you need to start making money on YouTube. Yes, so as a beginner on YouTube, you don't necessarily have to break your bank account to get started on YouTube, because all you need is just some simple tools that will enable you to film your content perfectly. So the first thing that you need to get started on making videos on YouTube is a smartphone. It doesn't matter the size of the phone that you are going to be using to film your YouTube videos, but the most important thing is your camera quality. This is an iPhone 5S. Yes, this is an iPhone 5S, and if you have one of these devices, you will notice that even though it is not really big, but this device has a high quality camera that can help me capture my content, because I started using iPhone 5S to make videos, and now I'm filming this on iPhone 7 Plus. So you don't really need to buy an expensive camera to get started on YouTube. Now, the second one is your tripod. This is a selfie tripod, and I believe in my previous video we've talked about this selfie tripod. I mean, how it works and all that. So this selfie tripod will help you to hang your phone. This is where you get your stable shots, because you don't even need the help of a friend or a family to help you hold your mobile phone whilst you're creating your content. So as for this tripod, it is very important that after you getting your smartphone, all you will need is a tripod to make sure that you will not get stressed out when you're filming your content. So the second thing that you're going to need, the third tool that you need to start making your videos on YouTube is a microphone. This microphone is not that expensive though, but it's really worth it. And the most important thing about microphone is it actually brings out the quality sound that you actually recorded on your content. Yes, so to avoid background noises and all that, you are going to need a microphone. So, and this microphone actually supports Type-C as well as iPhone, which I've also shown in one of my videos how this actually works. And so I also got this little gimbal. This is also a tripod, but it's actually a flexible one. This one will help me in so many occasions where this one is not actually where the L12, this one is L12D. So in case the L12D is not available, I can also use this one to film my content. And this is a professional microphone stand. This professional microphone stand doesn't actually work only for microphones. It's a multifunctional tool. And as you can see from this side of the picture, this is where you can also hang your mobile phone in case you're trying to do a kind of a review content. Maybe you want to shoot a review for a particular product on a table. This is the kind of gimbal that you are going to need, and this gimbal is not that expensive. So imagine with this budget, actually you can actually start making videos on YouTube. Yes, so I will also break down the tools. I will bring them out and show you how it actually works.